Ever wondered how Paysend, that cool app that lets you send money worldwide, actually works behind the scenes? Well, let's dive in and uncover the payment methods that make it all possible. Payment methods. Bank transfers. This is the most traditional method. You simply authorize Paysend to transfer funds from your bank account to the recipient's bank account. It's like sending money the old-fashioned way, but with a digital twist. Debit cards. If you're more of a swipe-and-go person, Paysend has you covered. You can use your debit card to fund your Paysend account and send money directly from there. It's quick, convenient, and perfect for those on-the-go transactions. Credit cards. For those who prefer the flexibility of credit, Paysend accepts credit cards as well. Just make sure you're comfortable with the potential interest charges before using this method. Cash pickup. Want to send money to someone who doesn't have a bank account? No problem. Paysend offers cash pickup options. You can send the money, and the recipient can simply go to a designated location and collect the cash in their local currency. Mobile wallets. In today's digital age, mobile wallets are becoming increasingly popular. Paysend supports a variety of mobile wallets, allowing you to send money directly from your phone using apps like M-Pesa, Airtel Money, and more. Security and fees. Security. Paysend takes security very seriously. They use advanced encryption and fraud prevention measures to protect your funds and personal information. Fees. While Paysend strives to keep fees low, there may be charges associated with certain payment methods or depending on the amount you're sending. It's always a good idea to check their fee schedule before making a transaction. Additional features. Real-time tracking. With Paysend, you can track your transaction in real time. This means you'll always know the status of your money, from the moment you send it to when it reaches the recipient. Exchange rates. Paysend offers competitive exchange rates, so you can send money without worrying about hidden fees or unfavorable conversions. So, there you have it. Paysend offers a variety of payment methods to suit your needs. Whether you prefer traditional bank transfers, the convenience of cards, or the flexibility of mobile wallets, Paysend has got you covered. With its secure platform and competitive rates, it's no wonder why so many people choose Paysend for their international money transfers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.